Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or how to build a news blog in 2023. So in this tutorial, I'll be building a news blog like this CNN. So if you don't have any web design skills, you don't have to worry because we are not coding anything. Just a simple steps in which you need to follow in order to create a news blog like this. So if you have the passion to have a news blog or to create a news blog for yourself or for your brand, in this video, you are going to create it in just few minutes. So let's get started. Now, in order to create a news blog, the first thing you need to do is to purchase a domain and hosting, of which you can easily do from HarmonWeb.com. You can see, you can just type HarmonWeb.com right here. Then it's going to load you to this page. Now, when it comes to choosing a domain name, first you need to choose if your brand is available or if the name you want to use for your website is available. In order to do that, there are two ways in which you can do. You can either click right here. You can see this is changing. When you click on it, you click here and search your domain here, or you can click on services, then click on domain registrations right here. So I'm going to use this one right here. So let's say, for example, I want to create a news blog and I want to use a name, demo YT tutorial. So I'm just going to type demo YT tutorial. This is it. Now, when choosing a domain name, you can either use number or use this hyphen. You cannot give a space on your domain like this. It's not going to work. So you have to use this hyphen, or you use this hyphen, or use number. You can add number like 1, 2, 3 or so. So as you can see, they said this.com is available, and there are other domain extensions which you can choose from depending on the kind of project you want to build. If your location is Nigeria, you can choose .ng, or you can use .com.ng or .biz or .net or .xyz on any of these. So I'm going to choose click on add to cart because I want to use .com. Now I'm going to click on checkout. Now when you click on checkout, you can choose you can add DNS management. This is going to like help you manage this DNS management, just like something that will link your domain with your hosting. So you need to tick on it and it's totally free. Then this ID protection, I'm going to show you what this ID protection means. Now, for example, this ID protection, if you register a domain, your information, including the information you filled while registering your domain will be showing on your who is domain lookup. Now this is who is domain lookup. You can come to this your browser and search for who is domain lookup. Now when you search for it, you open this. When you open this, you can put the domain you want to check the whois information. That is going to show you information about that domain. Now it's up to this ID protection to help you hide those information if you don't want your information to be displaying on the internet. Now here we come to name servers. This name servers is something that links your domain with your hosting also. So if your name servers is incorrect, your domain will be offline. It's not, it will be showing that it's not linking with your hosting. So you have to make sure it's correct with the one that will be assigned to you when you purchase a web hosting. So I'm going to click on continue because I don't want to change this. Now when I click on continue, yeah, I want to add a hosting to this. So I'm going to click continue shopping. Now when I click continue shopping, yeah, I can choose the web hosting plan I want to add. Now if you, in HarmonWeb, there are lots of web hosting plan you can choose from. You can choose from shared hosting, which you and a lot of users will be using the same server but different cPanel accounts. You understand? So, but if you choose reseller hosting, which means you want to start a reselling business, or you want to start reselling hosting to your clients and be making money. We also have master. You can choose WordPress hosting. If you want to host your website, this is particularly for WordPress. Then you can choose cloud server and cloud cyber panel VPS. This is if you want to have your own server, but it's not dedicated server. You want to have your own VPS server. So, but in this story, I'm going to choose this 550 naira plan, which is on HarmonWeb. Then I'm going to click order now. Now, when you click order now, right here, you can choose. This is the domain we added to our shopping cart. Now, for example, if you have previously purchased a domain name before, you can still use it with this hosting. You can click, I will use my existing domain and update to my name servers. Now, if you have another domain, maybe say maybe you purchase a domain from a friend and you want to use it for this hosting, you can click transfer your domain from another register, which means you want to transfer it from your friend's hosting account from another hosting company to this one, or you can choose register a new domain, which you have already did right here. We are trying to register a new domain. Now, when we do that, we are going to click on use because we want to use this one. Now when you click on use, here you can choose if you want to purchase this hosting for 1 month price, 3 months price, 6 months price, 12 months, and a lot more. So you can choose 12 month price or 1 month price. Well, yeah, I'm going to choose one month price. Then here you can select if you want SSL certificate. This is very important. SSL certificate is this stuff that is shown right here. You can see connection is secure, which means this website is secured. Now you can choose the spam email site log. Now you can choose any of these add-ons you need to add to your website. Now after doing that, I'm going to untick on this. I'm going to click none. Then I'm going to click continue. Now I'm going to show you how to install SSL certificate on your domain for free from your cPanel in this video. Now I'm going to click on continue. And I don't want to choose ID protection. Now after doing that, I'm going to click on checkout. Now from here, now you have to fill in your first name, your last name, and your email address with your phone number. Then you fill in this, make sure this is correct. You fill in the correct ones and other days because sometimes whois might be asking for you to verify your domain, and if you fill in the wrong information here, it will be a big problem for you. So you have to fill in the correct information, put in your password and confirm your password. Then here you can choose your payment method. You can choose to pay with bank transfer or Bitcoin, or you can choose to pay with Paystack, where you pay with your credit card, which is your ATM card. Then after doing that, you tick in additional notes, join mailing list. This is very important because HarmonWeb do offer give offers like discount code. We do give discount codes once in a while. Like of recent, we gave 70% discount on all hosting packages. So you can take this so that you'll be notified each time there's a new offer. You can see special offers by email. Now, when you do that, you tick to read terms and conditions. Now, make sure you read these terms and conditions. It's very important so that you know how web policies is and how your website is secured with us. Now you have to scroll down and make sure you read them carefully and slowly to understand each of them. Now after doing that, you come back, then you click complete order. So I'm not going to complete this order because I already have a domain and hosting we use to create a news blog in this video. Okay, so this is my HarmonWeb client area. As you can see, if you purchase a domain and hosting, your hosting will be shown right here, which means it's active, and your domain will be shown right here, which means it's active. Now you can click on your domain. If, for example, your domain is not active, you might check if your name servers is correct or not. To do that, you click on this, then click on manage name servers. Now the name servers you should use on your domain will be sent to your email immediately your hosting is active. Now you can change it right here. So I'm going to go back to Portal Home. Now here we want to install WordPress, which we'll be using to create a news blog in this tutorial. In order to do that, I'm going to click on Services. I'm going to click on Manage. Now when you click on Manage, you scroll down and click on Log into cPanel. Now this is going to log you to your cPanel automatically, which you can also do manually by the information be sent to your email, in which you can log into your cPanel manually. Now I'm going to click on cPanel. Now if I click on cPanel, it's going to log me into my cPanel automatically. Now yeah, I'm going to show you some functions which is very important and which will make or boost your website performance. Now here is email accounts. With this email account, you can create a custom email for your website. You don't need to use your personal Google email. You can create, if you, for example, as we have CNN.com, you can create an email which is admin@cnn.com. That is if your domain is cnn.com, which is not available. Now you can create, if you have domain, you can create it. Now you can check your email. You can link this email to your phone. You can check the description of this video. It's going to show you how to create custom email and also link it to your mobile phone, or like kind of log in the email to your Gmail account in your mobile phone. Now Gmail app in your mobile phone. Now, after doing that, you have File Manager. Here, you can manage the files of your website, which is right here, and manage all the files of your website. Now, I'm going to go back. This is the two important features you need first in your website. Now, after doing that, we want to install WordPress. You have two options. You can search for Softaculous app installer right here, or you could scroll down, which is right here, and Softaculous app installer, then click on WordPress, which you'll be using to design a news blog in this tutorial. Now, after doing that, you can see I already have WordPress installed on this domain, but I'm going to show you how to easily install WordPress. Now, all you need to do is just click on install. Yeah, you can choose HTTPS. Now, first, I need to go back and show you how to install SSL certificate on your domain for free. Now, in order to do that, you search for SSL status, which is right here. When you search for SSL status, if you purchase your domain newly, SSL certificate will be installed on your domain automatically. You don't need to do this manually. But if you have waited a long time and SSL certificate is not installed, when you search for SSL status, when you come here, you tick on this box. When you tick on this box, you click on Run Auto SSL, which is going to install SSL. You can see SSL is not installed on this one because this domain is not registered yet. So if it's not installed, it'll be showing this sign like this. But if it's installed, it'll be showing this sign like this. So after doing that, I'm going to come back and search for Softaculous app installer. And I search for it. I'm going to click on install. Now, since my website already has SSL certificate, I'm going to choose this HTTPS. Now, this domain and this extension, which is this protocol and this protocol, is two different things according to Google. Like if, for example, your major target to get traffic is from SEO or from search engines, this search engine sees these two protocol as two different things, including this. But you don't need to use this because you need to make your website secure. So you have to make sure you install SSL certificate and use this or this. So I'm going to use this. Now here you have to choose your domain. If you have more than one domain, you have to click on it and choose your domain. Now here you need to make sure this is empty. For example, if you kind of add anything here, like for example, you add WP. When you install WordPress, people will, like your users, will need to put in this domain, then slash WP in order to see your website. So, but you don't want that. You want people to search only your domain and see your website immediately. So after doing that, yeah, you need to put your site name, your site description. Now I'm going to show you the function of this site description and site name. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to search for HarmonWeb, only HarmonWeb from my browser. Then when I search for HarmonWeb, right here, okay, let me search for HarmonWeb. Now this is my site title, which is this. This is if you add a site title or site name, it's going to be showing right here. Then this fast and reliable cloud server is what is called site description. Is what is called site description. So after doing that, you add your admin username, admin password, your admin email. And after doing that, you will click email instruction. Like if you want an email about this WordPress you're about to install to be sent to your email, you put in the email right and then click on install. When you click on install, it's going to take a few minutes for WordPress to be installed. So, but I'm not going to install WordPress because I already have WordPress installed on this domain. So let's get to the next step. Okay, so this is it. This is my WordPress dashboard, and immediately you install WordPress. This is how your WordPress dashboard is going to look like. Now you'll be confused about how to log into your admin area. In order to do that, you put in demo, not demo. You put in your domain. I mean, when you type your domain, you put slash wp hyphen admin, which you can see right here, wp hyphen admin. When you do that, you'll be able to log into your WordPress dashboard using the username and password you filled in while trying to install WordPress. Now, after doing that, the first thing you need to do when you install WordPress is to set in permalinks. It's what we call permalinks. In order to do that, when you click on settings, you click on permalinks. Now you can see I'm going to explain each and every one of these. Now, if you come to CNN news.com, which is CNN, this is right here. When you click on one news, particular news there, you're going to see that a date is showing here, which is 2023 0601. Then the category, then the name of the post, which is this, then index.html because their website was not created with WordPress, so that's why it's showing index.html. So but if so, when it comes to permalinks, which is this from your WordPress, if you choose plain, to be showing only this like number, p and number. But if you choose day and name, it's going to be showing the same way it showed with, on CNN. It's going to show the date or this, but it's recommended to set it to post name. When you set it to post name, it's only going to show the name of the your post or your page in URL or in permalinks, some stuff like that. So when you do that, you click save changes to make changes. Now after doing that, the second step you need to do is to delete WordPress default posts and pages. Now if you install WordPress, you'll be seeing a new post which is hello world. In order to delete it, I'm going to show you how to delete it by deleting this. So I'm going to you can click on this or you click trash. When you click trash, or if you don't want to click trash, when you if you go back, when you click on this, you click on bulk actions, click on move to trash, then click on apply. But this is already moved to trash, so I'm going to reload it. Now I'm going to go to trash, then you click on empty trash. Now when you click on empty trash, you can do the same for pages. You have default pages. You can delete this or you can leave this because you can delete this or leave this. WordPress has helps you create privacy policy page by default, which you can use, or you don't, if you don't like it, you can create your own page. So but I'm going to leave this. Now the second thing you need to do is to delete the default plugins. Now what's the function of the plugin? A WordPress plugin is here to add functionalities to your website. You can design your website using Teams is going to add design to your website, but if you want to add functionalities like people logging in, pop up and other stuff, you use plugins. So I'm going to install the recommended plugins you need for this news blog. So I'm going to click on add new. Now there are over thousands of plugins on WordPress which will give you, which some of them has the same functionalities and a lot other. So I'm going to click on popular. When you click on popular, now I'm going to show you the few plugins you need to install and you need for this news blog. Now to do that, when you scroll down, first you need, if your major target is to get traffic from SEO, you can choose use SEO or AIO SEO, which is this right here. So, but I usually use this AIO SEO because I understand it more than you use SEO. So I'm going to click on install now. Now another step is, if you want to kind of, your major target is to get traffic from Google search engine particularly, you can use this plugin. And also if you want to monetize your blog with AdSense, this plugin is just to like help you automatically set up all those stuff instead of like adding codes to your public underscore HTML, your file manager, your website files. So I'm going to click on install now. Now another thing is this plugin WP code, which is this right here. So for example, if there's a particular code you need to install on your website and you don't have any idea on how to like and where to place the code, this plugin is going to help you guide you. Like if they say you should place the code on your header, it's going to show you how to place it on your header. Now you can use this plugin. So these are the three plugins you need first. During in our next tutorial, I'll be showing you more plugins you need to install and you need on your website, and also how to configure these plugins. So let's wait till this plugin install. So yes, this plugin will be installed. Now, if you want to start configuring them, you can click on activate, which I'm not going to do in this video. Now, the next thing is to I'm going to show you how to install themes, and themes you can use to create your news blog. Now, WordPress has a lot of themes which can give you the best design you need, and you can also like kind of create your own custom theme. You can do that with Page Builder, which I'll be showing in our next video. You can do that using Elementor. Elementor is going to help you like build your own custom homepage like this. That if you don't like let me say you install the particular theme and you don't like the homepage the way it is, you can use Elementor. So you need to subscribe to this channel in order to like get notified when we because I'll be showing you how to create any kind of website using Elementor. Now after now, but in this website, I'm going to be using this logos theme. Now there are a lot of news theme. You can see this one is Matic. You can see the layout. There are a lot of news theme you can use. So let me just install this Newsmatic instead. So there are a lot of news theme you can use on your news website. Also, you can use this on general news. You can see a lot of them. No matter the website you want to create, there's always a theme you can use on WordPress. Now it has been installed. I'm going to click on activate. Now when I click on activate, I'm going to go to our website. When I go to our website, so yes, this is it. You can see the layout changed after I installed this theme. Now you can import demo content, like each most of the themes or most of WordPress theme has demo content. You can click on, I'm going to click on install demo. Now if I click on install demo, you are going to see a lot of demo content you can use in this right here. So I'm going to click on preview. Now if you click on preview and like the design about this demo content, you can install it. You can install it, which is this right here. You can install it. So but I'm not going to install and demo content in this tutorial, but you can subscribe to our YouTube channel because I'm going to be teaching how to customize most themes on WordPress. So that's it. Now if you want to customize this theme, you can come to here and click on customize. Here you can customize the logo, this logo, including this logo here. So when you click on customize, you can see right here. Now you can click on this logo here. Now if you click on it, you can see you can change the logo or remove logo. Now, for example, if you don't know how to create a logo for yourself, you can send a message at business@harmonweb.com, and we're going to help you to create a custom logo which will be perfect for your website. So after that, you can customize a lot of stuff using this customizer. Instead of like writing codes or changing codes or from your style or CSS page, you can edit or do any stuff here from. You can remove all this stuff by clicking on, when you click on archives, you click here and click on remove group. Now you can do the same for category also, remove group. Now this is what you can do. Now, after doing that, you click on publish. If you click on publish, it's going to update the changes you made on your website, which is you can see when you reload. Let's customize again. I click on customize. I'm going to click on archives. And I'm going to click on remove group. I'm going to click on publish. Now let's check the changes again. Now you can see archives is no longer showed here. So previously I did not save before changing. So you have to make sure you change. You click on publish and wait for it to fully publish before you move out from that page. So this is how to create a news blog. Now I'm going to show you how to create a post, which is the last thing we're doing right here. Now if you want to create a post on your news blog, you click on post and click on all posts. Now when you click on all posts, you click on add new. Now I'm going to show you now if you come to this CNN blog, which you can see first thing we have here is title. And then after title, we have this image right here. Now this is an image inside the post, and also we have featured image, which is this an image that is showing outside like stuff like this. Now I'm going to show you how to add all this stuff. Now for this social media share button, it's very important because most users maybe after coming to your website they want to share your post to their social media pages. Now you have to make sure now, but you don't need to like add this thing by yourself. Most teams comes with social media um share button, and if the particular team you install doesn't come with it, you can kind of use a plugin to add it. Like I said previously, plugins will help you add a lot of functionalities to your website. Now here you can add the type to of your post. You can add this is a blog. This is a blog. Add this is a blog. Now here you can type in the content you want to put inside your post. Now if you want to add image, all you need to do is when you come, you click on this plus icon, then you click on image. When you click on image, you can upload image of you already have one that's uploaded to your website. You can like let me say for example, you can click on this one, then click on select. When you click on select, you can see image is shown right here. Now if you want to add featured image, you come to your right here. Now if in case of this thing is not showing you click here. You can see when you click here, it's going to show and remove. Now when you click on it, you click on post. When you click on post here, you can assign your post to a category. I'm going to show you how to create a category. Then here you can choose featured image. When you click on select or set featured image, you click on this, then you click on set featured image. Now you can see featured image have been selected for this post. And I'm going to publish this. Now when you publish this, I'm going to go back. When I go back, I'll go to our blog. Now when you go to our, you can see this is the featured image. This is showing right here. Now if you click on the title anywhere, it's going to be showing you this is the featured image and the image inside the post, which is this right here, and this is the content related before. Now you can see social media share button is not here, but you can use plugin to add it. So which I'll be showing in the next video, which will be the on the second part of this particular video. Now I'm going to show you how to kind of change this from all categorized to something like news. Now in order to do that, you have to click on this on your go back to your dashboard, then click on post, then click on category. When you click on categories here, you can either change the link of this one from this to like news and change this thing to news, but which is not recommended. It's better you it's important like you create a new one and delete this one. You can click update category, or yeah, you can just type in news, that's going to create it for you. Now let me say for example, as you can see before, I cannot delete this. Now in order to like for example, let me say you wanted to delete that on categorize and create a news, but you cannot delete it. Now in order to delete it, first you have to reassign it. Let me say you created like music right here, so I'm going to click on add new category, and I want to delete this news right here. In order to do that, when you come to settings, you come to writing. When you come to writing, you click on default post category, then you set this thing to news. Now, when you set it to news, you can be able to delete. When you set it to music, then you can be able to delete this news. Now, when you do that, you make sure you click on save changes. So this is how to create a news blog using WordPress. In our next video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize or how to configure these plugins we installed right here. These plugins right here. Now I'm going to be showing you how to customize, how to install demos, and also how to customize the demos to suit it to make it suit your test or other stuff. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends who also want to create a news blog like this. Now, also, if you don't have time to create a news blog for yourself, you can send us a message at business@harmonweb.com. We are going to help you to create a news blog. This includes website management. We'll manage your blog, including the SEO and content management. So you just send us a message at business@harmonweb.com.